What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for yet another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. But right in front of us, as we can see, work is going on for the lighthouse. They have scaffolding up, water has been drained, and a lot of workers are on site. To make sure nobody's getting too close, we have barricades up. Front entrance area, right here where the ticket windows are, not too busy. No wait to get through temperature check or through security. Doesn't look to be that way either for the front entrance. Yep, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. It is so weird not to see water in here. Something else to note, we used to have an orca photo opportunity spot over here. Well, that's been removed, and now we have a mural. Seven Seas Food Festival is still going on, and it's got some of the best food. You've got to try it. There's Icebreaker, and I'm not seeing a train on the transfer table or even one in the maintenance barn. What? It's gone missing? No, that means we have two train operation going on right now. And here's a closer look. So that's right, one is in the station and the other one is in the waiting area just outside. And we can see there some of the covers over the exit pathway. Man, it's a weird feeling not seeing a train in this area. And what is this that I see? New theme work? Well, this is more good news. I don't see a single test dummy on site. We also have a bunch of new plants and trees around the area. That one just on the other side of the station. And then over here. And in the queue as well. No entry sign just yet. I know, it was supposed to be here. But we do have those icebergs. From icebergs to altitude burgers? Yes, that's right. Mango Joe's has been rethemed and renamed Altitude Burgers. Over here near Bayside Stadium, looking to be about the same. We do have barricades up. And Seven Seas Food Festival is only happening on weekends right now, so we can't get over there to get some awesome views. And no nets. And for those of you wondering, we have heard that Altitude Burgers should be open this weekend. They do have a lot of higher-ups going in. Everything looks like it's ready and set up to go. Signage is going up around the area. We know there's some in the queue, and right here we can see officially that is the ride locker area. Alright, here's our first test run of the day. We've been here since 2 o'clock. It's now about 4:30. And there goes the train. another view of some of the work going on for the queue, as well as the ice near the front entrance. And it looks like the maintenance area now has some tarps over the top of it. Here's test run number 2 while we have been here. It's taken a little while. It's alright, the ride's running. And it just faulted. Construction duck. They're right here next to me too. By icebreaker. Alright, we got a reset. Let's see what it does. Oof. Man, you can literally feel the ground almost shake when it stops over here. Another reset. This time it's working. Alright, let's see if it goes up. Little third launch. Another test. Yet another test run. So it was slow going in the beginning of the day, but it looks like it's picked up just a little bit. Going out the back spike there, and here we go for 4th launch. Well, they've done about maybe 5 or 6 test runs or so, but it seems like they're fighting some gremlins. It happens, but we know the ride is getting very, very close to being handed over to SeaWorld. In fact, we had human test riders yesterday, on Wednesday. Unfortunately, we were out of town, but the ride has had its first humans. So the park is closed. Don't see any activity as far as more test runs right now. They'll probably do more later tonight, but we're gonna call it for right now, guys. Let's go see our pink chickens. There they are. There's our pink chickens. Hi, how are you? Yeah, you doing all right? Doing okay? Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando, and we saw some big changes with Mango Joe's today. It is no longer Mango Joe's, Altitude Burgers. So yes, that is the new renovated restaurant right next to Icebreaker. Speaking of Icebreaker, did a couple test runs today. Again, a couple gremlins. But hey, we now have ice theming right near the front entrance. Signs are in the queue, and we know humans have taken a spin on the ride. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.